7 ways to make money online. The internet has revolutionized the way people earn money, opening up numerous opportunities for anyone with a computer and an internet connection. Whether you're looking for a side hustle or a full-time income, there are plenty of ways to make money online. Below are 7 proven methods to earn money online, each with its own advantages and potential for success. 1. Freelancing. Freelancing is one of the most popular and accessible ways to make money online. As a freelancer, you offer services to clients on a contract basis. The best part is that you can work from anywhere and set your own rates. Popular freelancing jobs: writing and editing. Many companies and individuals need content for websites, blogs, and marketing materials. If you have strong writing skills, you can earn money by offering content creation or proofreading services. Graphic design. Businesses often need logos, social media graphics, and promotional materials. Platforms like Fiverr and Upwork connect designers with clients. Web development. If you have coding skills, you can develop websites and applications for businesses and entrepreneurs. Virtual assistants. Many entrepreneurs and businesses hire virtual assistants to handle administrative tasks such as email management, scheduling, and customer support. Social media management. If you understand how to grow and engage an audience on platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok, businesses may hire you to manage their accounts. How to get started. 1. Choose a skill you are good at or willing to learn. 2. Create a profile on freelancing platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, Freelancer, or Toptal. 3. Set competitive rates and build a portfolio. 4. Start bidding on jobs and delivering high-quality work to get positive reviews. Freelancing allows for flexibility and can be a great source of income once you establish a strong reputation. 2. Selling products online. E-commerce has exploded in recent years, and many entrepreneurs have built profitable online stores. You don't need a physical store to sell products. You can do it all online. Ways to sell products online. Dropshipping. With this business model, you don't need to hold inventory. Instead, you work with suppliers who ship products directly to customers. Platforms like Shopify make it easy to set up a dropshipping store. Print on demand, POD. This is perfect for artists and designers. You can create custom designs for t-shirts, mugs, and phone cases and sell them through Teespring, Redbubble, or Printful. Handmade goods. If you enjoy crafting, you can sell handmade products on Etsy. This could include jewelry, candles, home decor, or custom artwork. Selling digital products. Digital products like e-books, online courses, and templates require no inventory and can generate passive income. How to succeed. 1. Choose a niche with high demand. 2. Set up an online store using platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, or Etsy. 3. Market your products through social media and paid ads. 4. Provide excellent customer service to build trust and encourage repeat customers. Selling products online can be very profitable, especially if you find the right audience and use effective marketing strategies. 3. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing allows you to earn commissions by promoting other people's products. It's a great way to generate passive income, especially if you have a blog, website, or social media following. How affiliate marketing works. 1. Sign up for an affiliate program such as Amazon Associates, ClickBank, or ShareSol. 2. Choose products to promote that align with your audience's interests. 3. Share affiliate links through your blog, social media, or email list. 4. Earn a commission whenever someone purchases through your link. Best platforms for affiliate marketing. Blogging. Write in-depth reviews and recommendations on your website. YouTube. Create product review videos and include affiliate links in the description. Social media. Promote products on Instagram, TikTok, or Pinterest. Email marketing. Build an email list and recommend affiliate products to your subscribers. Affiliate marketing requires effort to build an audience, but it can generate significant passive income once established. 4. Online tutoring and teaching. If you have expertise in a subject, you can make money by tutoring or teaching online. With the rise of e-learning, there is high demand for online educators. Ways to teach online. Teaching English. Platforms like VipKid and Cambly pay native English speakers to teach English to students worldwide. Academic tutoring. Websites like Chegg Tutors and Visant connect tutors with students needing help in subjects like math, science, and writing. Creating online courses. If you have specialized knowledge, you can create courses on platforms like Udemy, Teachable, or Skillshare. Coaching and consulting. If you have experience in business, fitness, or personal development, you can offer one-on-one coaching sessions. How to get started. 1. Choose a subject you are confident teaching. 2. Sign up on tutoring platforms or create your own website. 3. Promote your services on social media or through word of mouth. 4. Provide value and encourage positive reviews from students. Online tutoring can be highly rewarding and a steady source of income. 5. Blogging. Blogging is one of the best long-term strategies to make money online. While it requires effort upfront, a successful blog can generate passive income for years. Ways to make money from blogging. Ads. Google AdSense and Mediavine pay bloggers to display ads on their sites. Affiliate marketing. Promote products and earn commissions through affiliate links. Sponsored posts. Brands will pay you to feature their products in blog posts. Selling digital products. Offer ebooks, courses, or printables related to your niche. How to start a blog. 1. Choose a niche that interests you. For example, travel, finance, health. 2. Set up a website using WordPress and purchase a domain. 3. Write high-quality content that attracts readers. 4. Promote your blog through SEO, social media, and email marketing. 5. Monetize through ads, affiliate marketing, and digital products. Blogging takes time to grow, but it can be a great source of passive income. 6. YouTube and content creation. YouTube offers massive earning potential for content creators. If you enjoy making videos, this could be a great way to make money online. How to make money on YouTube. Ad revenue. Earn from ads shown in your videos through the YouTube Partner Program. Affiliate marketing. Include affiliate links in video descriptions. Sponsorships. Brands will pay for product placements or dedicated promotions. Merchandise sales. Sell your own branded products. Memberships and donations. Viewers can support you through YouTube memberships or Patreon. How to grow a YouTube channel. 1. Choose a niche you're passionate about. 2. Create high-quality and engaging videos. 3. Use SEO-friendly titles and descriptions. 4. Promote videos on social media. 5. Be consistent and interact with your audience. Content creation takes time, but successful YouTubers earn millions through ads, sponsorships, and other revenue streams. 7. Stock photography and selling digital media. If you're a photographer, designer, or musician, you can sell your work online for passive income. Ways to sell digital media. Stock photography. Upload photos to sites like Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, and Getty Images. Selling presets and templates. Create and sell Lightroom presets, Canva templates, or design assets. Selling music and sound effects. If you create original music, you can sell it on Audio Jungle or Epidemic Sound. Selling NFT art. Digital artists can sell unique artwork as NFTs on platforms like OpenSea. How to get started. 1. Choose a platform that fits your skills. 2. Create high-quality content that has commercial value. 3. Optimize your listings with proper tags and descriptions. 4. Promote your work through social media and your website. Selling digital media can generate passive income, as people continuously buy your work. Conclusion. Making money online is more accessible than ever, and there are countless ways to do it. Whether you prefer freelancing, selling products, or creating content, there's an opportunity for everyone. The key to success is consistency, learning new skills, and taking action. If you're ready to start making money online, choose one of the methods above and take the first step today.